6 E's, the ministerial maturity process of a mentee. All of us start as a mentee. Eventually, we grow and become a mentor to someone. Even if we become a mentor, we continue to be mentored by someone else. And here are the 6 E's in the ministerial maturity process. The first step is engage. In this process, a person or mentee starts to involve and participate. Nagsisimula na silang mag-engage sa mga gawain like C2S at ibang fellowships para matuto at eventually lumali. Next, evangelize. Habang ang mentee ay patuloy na ini-involve ang sarili niya, later he or she will learn and start to evangelize. As one continues to grow, hindi niya makakontain ang goodness ng Lord sa sarili, and he or she needs to share the good news. Pangatlo ay edify. Sa patuloy na paglago ni mentee, aside from engaging and evangelizing, he or she can now edify others. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon siya ng kakayahan magpalakas ng iba sa pamamagitan ng kanyang salita at gawa. Dahil sa kanya, na-encourage ang iba. Next, excite. In this process, natuto na ang mentee na gawin at fulfill ang gawain niya para sa Lord, not feeling burdensome. Kahit gaano kahirap or hassle sa oras niya, ginagawa niya pa rin ito with excitement because he or she knows that this is for the Lord and not for man. As a person continues to grow, the next step is equip. Natuto ang mentee both spiritual, mental, and emotional. Eventually, he or she is now equipped to teach others. Nagkakaroon na siya ng sense of responsibility at may kakayanan gawin at i-accomplish ang part sa ministry. Once equipped na ang isang mentee, he or she later essentially becomes empowered. Sa patuloy na paglago, he or she is now empowered and able to mentor someone else. Lahat tayo bago naging or maging mentor, nagsimula tayo as a mentee and later, we flourish. In Matthew 28 verses 19 to 20, "Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. And surely I am with you always to the very end of the age."